Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have something special for all you mechanical keyboard enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a close look at the Hyekit PBT Keycaps for mechanical keyboard, specifically the 143 Keys Picnic Duck Keycaps. These custom keycaps are designed to enhance your typing experience and add a touch of personality to your keyboard setup. These keycaps feature the mower profile, an upgraded style from the traditional XDA keycaps. They offer a more beautiful and cute design with rounded edge lines, stronger curvature, and improved typing comfort. The surface of the keycaps is concave, providing a better fit for your fingers and a superior tactile experience. This custom keycap set includes a whopping 143 keys, making it suitable for a variety of mechanical keyboards, including 60%, 65%, 75%, 80%, 96%, and 100% layouts. It's compatible with popular keyboard models like the AN Pro 2, TKL RK68, RK84, and more. Advanced dye sublimation technology ensures that the colors, fonts, and patterns on the keycaps remain clear and vibrant even after prolonged use. These keycaps are built to last and resist deformation or fading over time. Crafted from textured, high-grade PBT material, these keycaps are built to withstand wear, friction, and exposure to solvents, ensuring a long-lasting and enjoyable typing experience. The keycap walls are approximately 1.5 mm thick, providing maximum durability and sturdiness. These keycaps make for an excellent gift option for friends or family who are passionate about gaming or typing. Let's dive deeper into these keycaps. The mower profile offers an aesthetic upgrade over traditional XDA keycaps. The rounded edges and improved curvature not only look great but also enhance the typing feel. The keycaps fit a wide range of keyboard layouts, making them versatile for various setups. Whether you have a compact 60% keyboard or a full-sized 100% keyboard, these keycaps have got you covered. The dye sublimation technology ensures that the colors remain vivid and sharp, providing a premium typing experience. These keycaps maintain their quality even after extended use. Built with durability in mind, these keycaps are resistant to wear, friction, and solvents. You can expect them to hold up well over time, even under heavy usage. With the extra thick key walls, you can count on these keycaps to endure rigorous typing sessions and gaming marathons without wearing out. The Hyekit PBT Keycaps for mechanical keyboard is a fantastic addition to any keyboard enthusiast setup. They offer a unique mower profile design, wide compatibility, and durability that ensures they'll last for years. If you're looking to elevate your typing experience and add a touch of personality to your keyboard, these keycaps are an excellent choice. That wraps up our review of the Hyekit PBT Keycaps for mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer, and we'll see you in the next video.